pages. Where do we begin with the ear? Page 3, so it's at 75. All right. What ear is shown in your manual?
Right.
Anterior review of a right ear. Exactly. Anterior review of a right ear. This, in other words, this is an anterior review of a right ear. This is an anterior review of a left ear. So we'll come back to that one. So this one corresponds best to the figure in 375. Take a look at that anterior review of a right ear. What do we have out here? What is this?
Auricle.
This is the right auricle. The right auricle. Is it part of the external, middle, or internal ear? Part of the external ear. It's a major part of the external ear. And so, continuing from the auricle in here, what is this channel in here called?
External auditory canal.
The external auditory canal. Normally air-filled. Unless we go swimming, then of course there we get water in there. Normally air-filled. Also external ear. So the auricle and external auditory canal are external ear. So air, sound waves, I should say, sound waves traveling through air will be funneled by the auricle into this external auditory canal and will strike, which should strike a tympanic membrane, which this model doesn't have. Manhandled, it's popped out. It should be an eardrum. It should be a tympanic membrane, a transparent tympanic membrane inside here. So, putting this back together. Actually, let's leave it out for a moment. On the inside of the tympanic membrane, continuing medially, on the inside, we see two bones. There should be three. There are three middle ear bones, or middle ear ossicles, and they are the malleus, the large incus, right there, so we have the malleus, which is Latin for mallet or hammer, the large incus, which is Latin for anvil, the hammer striking the anvil, and here a broken stapes, stapes being the Latin for stirrup, shaped like a stirrup. So all three of those should be together. And let's slide this out. So we would have, let's see, malleus. Yeah, we've got all three. We've got for the left ear, there's the smaller malleus, the larger incus, and we've got it again separated but completely, it's not broken. There is the stapes, or stirrup. So all three of those should be joined to one another like that. All three middle ear ossicles, middle ear bones are joined to one another. So what happens is this. Put this back in. Okay. So sound waves traveling through air is funneled by the auricle with the external auditory canal, striking the outer surface of the tympanic membrane. Attached to the inside, we've got three middle ear bones. We have malleus, incus, and stapes that's broken off there. There should be a stapes right there. So as the tympanic membrane bows in and out, sound waves push it in, it pops out. Sound waves push it in, pops out. The three middle ear ossicles move in and out too, moving back and forth. The rest of the middle ear is shown down here. This is what? The right auditory tube, also known as the right eustachian tube. Let's quickly put that on the board. And notice the K, the sound